Hello everyone. I want to welcome you to our Liberty of the Seas cruise that we went on and the stateroom that we stayed in, the cabin, which was really very comfortable. As soon as you walk into the cabin, the first thing you'll notice on the door is the information for your life jacket or anything that you need to know about where you are and where you need to go in case of emergency. This is very important. To my immediate left is a light switch that you turn on and lights up everything in the room. So it's really nice. Also to my left is our closet space, which was very nice. Especially for my husband and I, it held all our clothes. So here, it was like you're living here. This was really nice and comfortable. As I mentioned before, there are our life jackets. And then over here, we have lots of shelf space. And it even has a safe for you to put your valuables in. Really nice closet space. Look at this, really nice. You know, I love that. Then to my immediate right was our bathroom. And as you go to our bathroom, I really love the shower. The shower was really beautiful. Water control was really nice and warm. I love it. And look at everything that's in there. Everything that you need to be comfortable. Really nice if you step in. Really beautiful bathroom space. I love it. As you come out of the bathroom space, you'll notice that to your right, it has your air conditioning for you to maintain the cabin temperature. It was really nice. I love having this because, you know, at night you like it a little warmer, sometimes in the day a little cooler. So I really love this about it. As we continue on into our cabin, to my left was a beautiful desk area. I love this with the beautiful mirrors where I can stay and, you know, make up myself and get myself together, especially if my husband's in the bathroom. And lots of desk space for you, even though you don't need to be working at all. I also love the fact that you have a lot of plugs that you can put your chargers into and lots of drawers. Beautiful. Lots of drawer space. So I love that. There's lots of drawers on both sides. And there's a cooler here that you can put all your juices and everything to keep it cool, which was really nice. Remote control, nice TV, and of course, to my right, the sofa. Look how big this sofa is. My husband and I just love just sitting back and relaxing here when we came in the evenings. As we continue on into the stateroom, there's a partition, you know, for privacy, you know, for reasons if you need it. And of course, on both sides of the bed, we have our own personal drawer, which I love. And this bed, everybody, was so comfortable for both of us. This bed is a big, full-size, almost king-size bed. Really beautiful and spacious. I love this. And the beautiful piece de resistance that I love was our balcony. So let's go out to the balcony. It was really nice. I love the balcony because you can come out here at any time and enjoy the beautiful sunrise or sunset. And you have a table where you can sit and eat or relax. And yes, just enjoy your cruise and watch the waves as they go by. Actually very beautiful, peaceful and serene. So, and privacy, you know, that's the beautiful thing about it. Lots of privacy. So this was our stateroom. And if you like this video, please subscribe.